Sanibonani, Dumelani, Absheni. Hi, welcome to Dume's Tea. Sizakubheka ngafuna ukuthi ulibuze uhamba kodwa uhlale phansi ukuze uzolithokozela. Let's get into the video. Indaba engizokhuluma ngazo, it is alleged. Ningahambi nithi mina ngathi, nami ngizwe ngabantu, ngize ngobathi ngathi isingidlulisele phambili. And sikhuluma ngobani? Your faves from Big Brother Mzansi, season 6, ne? Yes, this year was season 6. And allegedly kuthiwa uNeliswa Ngada kanye noDidi, they were hospitalized, but the person that they spoke about a lot was uNeliswa Ngada. She is at Tembisa Tertiary Hospital, if I'm not mistaken, is on correct lapho phansi. And ukuze umntwana abantu azithole sekasesibhedlele afake wona drip wena what is because allegedly uBravo B uyele wathola a rental car. Maqeda ukuthola i-rental car uchayisile, angazi uchayise noma uchayise imoto noma uchayise umuntu noma uchayise ibonda, hey akwaziwa. Kodwa into engiyazi ukuthi bathi uNeliswa ulapha esibhedlela. Ukuthi uphumile or kanjani angazi, nokuthi ulimele kangakanani I don't know, because laba bayi-2 bebehamba nabo, they are not injured, they came out unscattered. The only person ophume elimele ku that crash, it was uDidi noNeliswa. Imagine bakuboleka imoto, a rental car, regardless ukuthi abakubolekanga fully. Yes, you might have paid a minimum ukuze nje ukwazi uyidrive, but the fact that manje ichayisiwe guyzini. So the reason behind the crash is unknown. Asazi ukuthi was it under the influence of bourgeois or was it because bebegijimela kwenye indawo, you know, ama-gig, the vibes, angazi, but I just hope it has nothing to do with bourgeois. And I think no tricks to be khona lapho, because I did not see the video. Ngizwe istory ngagijima ngathi eish, inkinga ukuthi bengizofunana ne-story and dig deeper, but unfortunately indaba yoku-editha, it's a lot guys, it's a lot. Ziningi itori engiziphethe isigaqa after sigaqa. So uma ngisazofunana ne-information ngithi dig deep, hey ngiyoceda nini? Plus nani, you have a low, most people have a low retention span. Abathanda ukubukela amavideo amade ongasi babukele i-series. People want quick things. Yazi thina abantu bamanje, abantwana bama-TikTok sifuna izinto ezisheshayo, 2 minutes noodles, asinasikhathi sokuloku busy. Umuntu akhuluma into ende aloku ajikeleza around. No, you want quick, ufuna nje into ukuthi Neliswa ulimele, dling, you swipe. Ayile ukuthi manje so lo business, hey uNeliswa wangena ebhasini wabuya. But yilo bengifuna ukunitshela kona nganimoshela isikhathi. If you were watching till this far, please don't leave it a liking, commenting, subscribing. And if you're watching on Facebook or TikTok, please make sure to follow me. I almost said follow your sister ngathi hey it rames ophuma lapho sengithi follow your sister. See you next time, bye.